Present B form. Yam, is, are. English grammar test. Raju dash a doctor. Yam, is, or, none. Raju is a doctor. We use is with he, she, it, and any single name. Raju. I dash afraid of lizards. Yam, is, or, none. I am afraid of lizards. We use yam with I. We dash a family. Yam, is, or, none. We are a family. We use are with we, you, they. You dash my friend. Yam, is, or, none. You are my friend. You use are with we, you, they. He dash married. Yam, is, or, none. He is married. He use is with he, she, it, this, that, Raju. She dash my sister. Yam, is, or, none. She is my sister. She use is with he, she, it, this, that, Raju. It dash a table. Yam, is, or, none. It is a table. It use is with he, she, it, this, that, Raju. This dash a pen. Yam, is, or, none. This is a pen. This use is with he, she, it, this, that, Raju. That dash an apple. Yam, is, or, none. That is an apple. That use is with he, she, it, this, that, Raju. These dash birds. Yam, is, or, none. These are birds. These use are with we, you, they, these, those, Raju and Ravi. Those dash animals. Yam, is, or none. Those are animals. Those use are with we, you, they, these, those, Raju and Ravi. Raju and Ravi dash friends. Yam, is, or none. Raju and Ravi are friends. We use are with we, you, they, and Raju and Ravi.